What's up, YouTube and everybody else out there? Boy, I tell you something. Hey, this part 2 to fried chicken, crinkle cut fries, and honey butter biscuits. Boy, I tell you something. Boy, this right here, this is something else. It came out lovely. I got KFC mixed in there. And I got some of that crispy Church's chicken. Boy, it's gonna hurt somebody. Lord. Hey, but what I need y'all to do for me, come on over here. I'm gonna go ahead and drizzle some of this honey on these biscuits. Oh, Lord, don't hurt me now. Oh man. Oh boy. Oh boy. Might not look like churches, but it sure still looking good. Dripping all off, just wet. Gonna hurt somebody. Oh man, that's gonna hurt somebody right there. I don't know who, but it's gonna hurt somebody. Boy, oh, man, hey, get close up on that chicken, boy. Ooh, boy, I'm gonna have to do a thumbnail for this one. Ooh, let me go ahead and get me a thumbnail. Let me go ahead and give me a thumbnail, alright, y'all? Ooh, that's that thumbnail. I had to get my thumbnail so y'all gonna see it, alright? Hey, I'm gonna go ahead and take a little sample bite for y'all. I'm gonna tell y'all how it is. Lord, make you want to slap your mama. Don't do that. Don't slap your mama. I'm just playing with y'all. I'm playing with y'all. Don't take that to the heart. But it make you want to slap your mama. It's so darn good. Goddamn. Gonna hurt somebody. Don't get no better than this, y'all. It's a little dry. I need some ketchup and hot sauce or something. Hold on right quick. Hold on. I got some hot sauce right here. Ooh-wee. There we go. Wanna put a little hot sauce on there? You're going to be good to go. Don't hurt me now. Heaven. Gonna hurt somebody for real. But what I need y'all to do for me out there, I need y'all to hit that like for me, that like button. And like I said, in the bottom right hand corner of this video, bottom right hand corner, make sure y'all hit my icon of my face. Make sure you hit that bell notification as well, okay? Hey, and comment down below. Tell me what y'all think about this. Like I said, if y'all have some ideas, comment in the comment section down below this video. Tell me what y'all think. Tell me what ideas that I could have done different to make it a little bit better. But what I did find out, when you double dip your chicken, it makes it extra crispy. Look at that. Ooh, wait. I hear crunches. Every time I turn it, it's a crunch. Boy, don't hurt me now. Well, it's good. But hey, thank you for tuning in with Cooking with William. Until next time, you don't know what I might come out with next. Until then, hey, You have a great day.